how to use Microsoft Copilot in your PowerPoint easily. This video is the full guide for you that how you can use Copilot in your PowerPoint presentation. For this, open your PowerPoint presentation in front of you, and here you will see that is on the left I have so many slides open, and on the right I have my page to edit. Now here on the right top of the screen you will see add on option, and here you can see a lot of software like ChatGPT, Mentimeter for PowerPoint and other details. I will select simply R2 Copilot here on my account and check if any Copilot application is available here on the list. I will simply click on that and here I will install it. On the right of my screen you can see that is R2 Copilot, and I will click on the blue button to get started with my account. Here you have to enter your MS Office or Microsoft account details such as your email ID or password, and then grant access for all the setting and all the essential documents and files for your Microsoft account. After signing in, you will be linked to your account, and on the right you can see that is my Copilot. I can ask questions from it, I can ask any image from it. Like, let me select now. You can use it without any problem. When I will enter anything, it will be in front of me, and after that you can simply paste that thing from the Copilot to your main screen and make a presentation very easily. This is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel for watching more updates like this.